LoveSac couches, especially their popular Sactionals line, offer a unique approach to modular furniture. Here's a breakdown to help you decide if they're the right fit for you. Pros: customization. LoveSac's core appeal lies in their incredible adaptability. With numerous pieces, configurations, and a vast selection of covers, you design a couch that perfectly suits your space and style. Comfort. LoveSac couches prioritize comfortable lounging. Their filling options range from standard foam to the premium LoveSoft for an exceptionally cozy feel. Machine washable. Covers. Maintaining a clean couch is easier with LoveSac, as most covers can be tossed in the washing machine. A must-have feature for busy families and pet owners. Durability. LoveSacs are built for the long haul. Their frames have a lifetime warranty, and covers are made with high-quality, resilient fabrics. Expansion-friendly. Easily add or remove seats, rearrange layouts, and even turn your Sactional into a makeshift bed as your needs change. Cons. Price. LoveSacs are an investment. While they offer sales, a basic configuration can still be expensive compared to traditional couches. Assembly. Expect to put in some effort in putting your Sactional together, especially for larger setups. Style. The LoveSac aesthetic won't appeal to everyone. Their designs can be chunkier compared to streamlined sofas. Seat depth. The standard seat depth might feel shallow for some, though their deep option addresses this. Resale. LoveSacs may not hold their resale value, as well as some traditional furniture brands. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.